Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashidemis and you're watching Ashidemis Medic. So guys, today I'll be showing you and teaching you how to actually wash a new house, like a proper new house. Like as most of you know, I actually have OCD and I can't stay in a used house or old house. Look at it now, our virgin house. See paper, virgin house. Like not understand, virgin house. And most times with new house, most of these things you get is all these paint stains and what have you. Because the landlord has done the normal cleaning of the house, removing all those shavings and remnant of tiles and everything. He has done it. All those remaining ones, yeah, be stain of kidney, stain from the floor of the paint like this. This one said that with this because yesterday I came to splash water there. All those. Another thing is, I know most people will be like, why don't you just get a cleaner and wash this thing? Getting a cleaner is not the problem. Paying the money is actually not the problem. Unless if you see all these professional companies that maybe you pay 15 or something, you know that even if they don't clean them, you can actually ask for your refund. But you know this mama agbalagba, you pay them like 5 and they not wash it. So if you say her mommy, yeah, she scrub a leg, they will say you are rude. So me to avoid wahala, for somebody to go and lock me inside bottle. That's how I just come. So you see with my armless and my, you know, I am here to scrub and wash myself. Because funny enough, it's not about you paying. Even when you pay, they don't wash this thing to your satisfaction. Most of them, they'll just mix water with soap, splash it on the floor, use broom to sweep it. My former house, I paid 5k. This one was even telling me 5k for chemical to remove the paint stain and then 5k to wash it. Wait up, how much I rent the house? So now, even if they do it, the thing will still be there. Especially for me, that I'm very, very particular about things. That's why I've decided I'll come and wash my team myself. You understand? So the thing that is okay. So yesterday I actually came here. There was no water. I bought a bag of pure water. I bought ipo, I bought detergent, I mixed everything together. I sprinkled it on the floor. It was already late, so I can't make a video. I sprinkled it on the floor, on those things. Tosha actually weakened the bonds between the paint and the tiles and every other thing. Then I came this morning, there was still no water. I tried to look for somewhere that will fetch water. That's why I said there's no water. So here I am now. Detergent, ipo, and this thing. So now I've got it on the floor. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be scrubbing them. So before you scrub, you after mixing the detergent, ipo together, you make sure you pour all the soapy water in the floor of the house. Pour it everywhere so that the bond, the ipo will start working and be weakening the stains. As you can see, I've poured everything in the house to be weakening the stains. You understand? So that when you actually scrub it, it's easy for them to actually come off the stain. And that was why I did. That was what I did. Because it was shading here. So next is you scrubbing. So when you're scrubbing, you start from the place that you started by pouring that soapy water. At least the first place you started from to pour that soapy water, that one would have been weaker than the place you poured later. So that's what I am doing now. So I got this for 500 or 700. Buy this, you know, the waste. So I try to scrub like this, even with this thing. But this thing don't come out. So what I did do, you see, I first use this one to scrub and remove the outer stain. Then I got a broken tiles. Then I'm just going to bend and use to scrape the paint stains away, and it removes easily. So just take your time. This is not about you being stingy or anything or kinikon. Many pay 15k a washing company when you can actually just do your thing yourself and you wash it to your satisfaction. Just take that day off. So you see how easy it is now. Can you see how easy they are coming off? Because I've actually soaked them. So you see, they will just lie to me and say, any company for you need chemical. Chemical we should rather this is just detergent. And best combo, use sunlight. This is just detergent. Detergent type. And using type. Okay, now if you want to let me take from my here you see. This I like the soap. That's it. ẹni tó fẹ́ gba 10k lọ́wọ́ mi lélẹ́yìí last kò lè stop ẹ̀ báyìí o. mo fẹ́ ṣó gbogbo ayé ni ṣé bá ti rójú ẹ̀. so that's how this so just leave the water on it then just this is one end of the job. So guys, I actually did this too. I made the food and detergent inside water and I sprayed it and I left it overnight yesterday too. So what I'm just going to do is just scrubbing this. I can use sponge to scrub it. So you try this thing. They just tell you to want to buy chemical. Just ice and detergent. I need sponge. You know this iron sponge. I'm tired. This is the best way. I think my best number. I beg, no phone. So now, after I'll be waiting, like. I've been scrubbing with this. I'm not scrubbing though. I don't even forget to have a good video. Next is I'm going to use to just it's Ibadan. I like my kitchen. It's so big and beautiful. It's so big. I didn't even know I did it cupboard. We were doing then. Okay. So big. My name is Toby Lava. And then I am living in a big house. Let me Toby go. What's a big contact us for your dry cleaning services, home cleaning, office cleaning, shop cleaning, everything. Even if it's your art you need to clean, contact us at Ashidemis. So I'm going to this bag of cement or sack. I don't want to buy sponge because I have lots of them in my former house. I'm going to use it let me know, like, this thing is dead stressful, very stressful. But then, trust me, if you do it yourself, you'll be grateful for it. But if you don't have OCD, like me, you can take anything Then fine, you can place them. You pay them chicken service. Chicken is not paying too much money. This is my small size. You can use broom too. Some actually used to have raised paper. Where is it? Just even water said will weaken this thing. It will weaken it. So you using iPad detergent instead of just water will actually weaken the bond. One, will also kill the smell. Two, three, it also kill germs. When you have cleaning, different things also coming on. So just like I think premium one, but usually the thing is removing very easily. Just allow it to soak. So now that yesterday there was no water, but now we come to water. This one